with Mr. Hot Water Co. Colorado. So we just finished installation of simple job for Goodman furnace. So we get this in old unit here. Years of this old furnace. So we replace this old furnace here with that beautiful Goodman unit here with filter return box. We have few adjusting here. We have to do it. So we're testing the unit now. Everything is working. As you see, very nice unit. Very good quality. I love Goodman, another brand good. So we will add a 2-inch PVC pipe here, can for intake air. So, and also we're gonna hook up the sensor, the thermostat to the cable here because there's a lot of wiring here unnecessary. So we just testing now the unit. So basically what you need to do is I make call for heat for myself to receive the units. I'm trying to get this here by hand, one hand. Now I turn it off manually. And now the fan has to be working, as we see, for exhaust. This part here is very hot. Don't attempt to touch it for the exhaust. This is 80% furnace. So do not touch this because, and don't attempt to touch it because it's very, very hot. So now we're gonna call for heat manually again. See sequence of operation. Try to do it with one hand. Okay. Now exhaust fan is on. Sequence of operation. It's working. So now the gas valve should click and get on too. So igniter is on, as we see. The gas will be introduced now. So should be fire at any second now, as expected. Yep. Now the sequence of operation